everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to take packet capture on FortiGate Firewall and analyze that PCAP file in Wireshark. This is extremely useful for troubleshooting network issues, VPN problems, application errors, etc. Packet captures allow us to see real traffic passing through the firewall. Using packet captures, we can identify connection failures issue, policies issues, applications problems, DNS, TCP or SSL error. So in FortiGate, we can capture packets in two main ways: GUI-based packet captures and CLI-based packet captures using diagnostic commands. So first, I will show you CLI-based packet captures and what is the issue in the CLI-based packet captures. Just this is the command, and host, in the host you need to type your source or destination IP and complete this and 608. So this is the command: diagnose sniffer packet. Any means in the any you can type your port number or anything else, and host, in the host your source or destination IP and 60A. This is the command, and just you need to download it. But it is the you need .txt to pick up tools in your system. So basically GUI based packet capture is very easiest way. So in the first login in the FortiGate GUI, then go to the network, then click on the diagnostic, and you can see there is a packet captures option. So click on the new packet captures and select the interface where the traffic is flowing, and give the name. So port 17 root, and maximum capture packets will be thousands. And filters, in the filters you can type your host, means your source or destination IP, port number and protocol number. So just after completed, just click on the start packet captures. Okay, so you can see so many packet captures I am getting, means all the source destinations packet capture getting. Once your packet capture done, just you need to click on the stop packet captures. Okay, so you can see that so there is an option save as PCAP. So I will click on that, and after that just you need to download this file. Just then after that I will click on that file and I will open it. It will directly redirect to the Wireshark file. So in here you can see all the traffic related it, and you can get what is the protocol, what is the version, what is the source, what is the destinations, and all frame information, transmission control protocol, transport layer, security, all type of data you will get in this. So this is the very easiest ways. While analyzing packets, the most you need to check is the TCP handshake, that is SYN, SYNAC, and packet drops or retransmission, DNS resolutions, SSL, TLS handshake failures, ICMP errors. These analysis help us understand whether the issue is firewall related, network related, or application related. Some important best practices: never run packet captures for long time in production. Always apply filters, capture only required traffic, stop captures immediately after reproducing the issue. So this is how you can capture packets on FortiGate and analyze them using Wireshark. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want to video on VPN packet analysis or FortiGate troubleshooting. So guys, thank you for watching my video. We will meet you in the next video.